Good morning, artists. We're getting ready to paint our canvases. Yes, we're so excited. These are prepped, ready to go, okay? We are going to be painting the panda bear. You guys are gonna love this project. You guys have learned so much. I'm so proud of you, and I want you to know that we're gonna do this. We're gonna get the background painted on this canvas. This is the brush you're gonna use. It's a bigger brush. Some of you might be like this, but I'm gonna be getting those brushes to you unless your parents have one, and we're going to be painting this. Okay, these are the colors we're gonna be using for this background. We're gonna be using this purple, a white, and any purple you have at home, and then you can mix the purple and the white together like this for a medium color. Okay, we've worked on mixing colors. So there's gonna be a white, a purple, and a medium purple, okay? Maybe a little bit darker. There we go. So there's our colors. What we're gonna do is get our paintbrush a little bit wet like this, and we're gonna come in here with this medium color, and we're gonna make it a little bit soupy. We're gonna get some water and make it, see how thin that is? It's about like that, parents. Little bit soupy, okay? Not too wet, not too dry. And we're gonna come in here and just paint this canvas. Move those paint brushes. And I'm gonna, okay? And I'm doing a back and forth motion like big X's. Like X marks the spot. Just go in there and add some more water to that paint. Okay, and you're gonna come in here and do these. Now, I'm not gonna concentrate too much down here because look how much of this is gonna be black down here. I'm gonna make sure I get it done really good up here. And I'm going really fast. You don't have to go this fast, but again, we're wanting to keep it wet so we can add the next color. So you're gonna not wanna take too long to where it dries. But don't panic. You can always, if you ever mess up with painting, you can always just paint right back over it. There's no mess ups in painting because you can just paint over it. It's not a big deal. So you're going to go back and forth. I'm going to show you a little bit slower. See how I'm doing it? I'm not scrubbing my brush like this. I'm keeping my bristles flat, picking up a little bit more water. Maybe your parents can help you with the water part. And I'm gonna go back and forth like this, okay? Mine's getting kind of wet now, but I don't mind if there's a little bit of white showing through, like up in here. Okay, we're gonna get that done like that. That gives us a good background for our color. Then you're gonna come around here and do these edges. I'm not gonna take the time to do the edges, but parents, you can help the kids with that. And just so that there's a little bit of color on the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you don't want those edges to be white, okay? So you're gonna go through and just fix these edges like that and get those painted. I'm not doing them real thick. I'm just kind of doing on those edges like that. Turning it again. Kiddos, it's all right for your parents to help you with some of this, okay? This is a big project. Okay, so you can see that how it kind of looks marbly like that. That is totally fine. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the water out of our brush. There's plenty of water on our canvas. Then we're gonna go to this darker color. We're gonna pick up a little bit of it, okay? I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this darker color like this. You can see what I'm doing with it on my palette, like this on my paper plate. I'm getting some of it loaded in my brush. I'm not getting a whole ton of paint like that, okay? I'm working it into my bristles like this. Remember how we talked about working it into our bristles? Then I'm gonna come in here and do my X's again. Like this, okay? I'm gonna pick up my X's like this. This purple is a lot thicker than that. There we go. I'm gonna come in here and do my X's like this, okay? And you know what? I forgot to switch brushes. We did that wet part with this big brush. Now we're gonna go to that medium-sized brush that I had y'all pick up from me. I think it's this one right here. This is the size. Let me get it. The purple, okay? I'm gonna get that loaded. Okay, parents, sorry, that's my fault. Okay, so we're gonna go through and add some dark purple in here. Now, I'm not trying to cover everything. I'm just putting a bunch of X's on the canvas, okay? I'm just Xing a bunch of dark purples on the canvas and kind of blending here and there. I'm just doing a bunch of X's, okay? X's, X's. And again, this whole round area right here, you don't need to mess with because this is going to be black. So just kind of do like a rainbow like that. You can leave it alone. You can put some in here if you want to practice. But you want those dark purple. And then what do you think we're going to do? I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to get some white. And we're going to, I didn't clean my brush. I just picked up some white. And you're going to come in here and you're going to X, X, X with some white. And then you put, do you see how I'm making X's? I'm going kind of fast. Let me show you. X, 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 X. Y'all will know definitely how to make an X after this class. How many of you have X's in your names? Okay, so here you go. You're just going to put an X on there like that until you get it nice and... Okay. Now, what do you think about that? I'm thinking we need to do a little bit more X's just to blend. Don't add any more paint. Just go through and just kind of do a little bit more and maybe make them bigger X's like this. You see what I'm saying? Make them a little bit bigger to blend them like that. And that is your background for your panda bear. Okay, kiddos? That's your background. Good job. Holler if you have any questions. Have fun.